Mark Villar is the richest Philippine senator of the 20th Congress in 2025, while Cheese Escudero is the poorest. The 24 senators reveal their net worth as more lawmakers and other public officials release their Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth or SALNs as the flood control scandal continues to expose links between lawmakers and contractors. Mark Villar declares a net worth of 1.2 billion pesos. Raffy Tulfo ranks second with 1.052 billion pesos and his brother Erwin declares 497 million pesos. Kiko Pangilinan ranks 22nd on the list with a net worth of 26.7 million pesos. Ranked 23rd is Risa Ontiveros, who declared 18.9 million pesos. And the poorest on the list, Cheese Escudero, who declared he has a net worth of 18.8 million pesos as of December 2024. The SALN also requires public officials to declare their connections to business companies. But Erwin Tulfo, Mig Zubiri, Robin Padilla, Lauren Legarda, and Joel Villanueva redacted the names of their companies before releasing their SALN to the public. Log on to Rappler.com for the full report.